Alright guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing and review on this cool air cooler AC unit. It is portable. We'll go ahead and open it up and see what we got in there. We'll get it all hooked up and see how cold it really gets. Alright guys, so the setup was actually fairly easy on this. All I had to do was install the 4 wheels at the bottom. Then after that, just get the remote, some batteries, and then you're good to go. Cool. So it's very lightweight just from what I could tell right off the bat. But I want to get it hooked up and let's see how cold it gets. Okay, and lastly, all we have to do is fill up the water tank. Right, it's all set up. It's actually got wheels on it, so that way you can move it to whichever room you like. It also comes with a remote control, so that could be for easy access, especially if you're keeping it in your room. And these are for, they call them the ice crystals. So how it works is once you fill it up, it's got a water meter right here, minimal to maximum. Once you'll end up freezing these, and it comes with 3 of them. So you'll put them right up here, close that up, and then we'll go ahead and turn it on. And there it goes. You can change the speed as to how much it's actually pushing out, and then we can turn on the cooler on here or on here. Cool. And then the speed. Pretty awesome. And it also has a timer, so it's got 1, 2, and 4 hours. Just really depends on how much, how long you actually want it to go. And the cool thing is that since it comes with 3, you can keep alternating them, so it always has a nice cold packet in here, so it keeps the air nice and cold. So it's actually really neat. We're gonna end up keeping this kind of like in a room just because it'll probably keep it nice and cool the whole time. So looking for an awesome evaporative air cooler, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.